Packaged Air Conditioner Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global packaged air conditioner market size will be $1,125.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America packaged air conditioner market size of $450.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe packaged air conditioner market size of $337.56 million. Asia Pacific packaged air conditioner market size of $258.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America packaged air conditioner market size of $56.26 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa packaged air conditioner market size of $22.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.